Thank you, everybody, for being here.
I'm overjoyed that we are finally able to shower you both with the love and happiness you deserve.
It's difficult to put to pen what authentic love really is, but you know it, and we can see it in your smile, in the twinkle of your eyes, and in your holding of hands right now.
When Caroline met Adam, it was obvious that he had all the attributes that count. He's the perfect complement to Elizabeth, and I can see every time they're together, he brings her so much happiness.
Adam and Liz, I wish you happiness.
Cheers to my best friend and the love of her life. Now please help me raise a glass to the most perfect husband and wife.